I have a small group, Nahelenich, the Islanders, who are from, of course, Manhattan Island and Staten Island, Long Island. When we get together to sing, all of a sudden there are a dozen of us. And there's a great deal of love and enthusiasm for Gaelic music.
Tell us a wee bit about the song you're going to sing today.
Oh, the song is one of my favorites. Gragel Mochri is a wonderful love song, and I chose verses that are not the usual ones that everybody sings because I think they're actually much better poetry. Gamon